is Jeffery Bowen.
Hailing from the sunshine city of Portmore, Jeffery Lloyd Bowen, a taxi and tour operator, gained the title of Portmore Hero from his peers and community for rescuing a drowning boy from a crocodile-infested pond on July 31, 2020.
I was going home and passing this location. A friend of mine stopped me and said that somebody is inside the water. So I pull over, asked him if the person is a body or something. He said no, the person's still alive. So, I have to come see this because I never seen this before. Come and go on the bank, look over in the water. I realized that it wasn't a big person. Because it was dark, so I couldn't really see inside the water. So the person continued to come up the stream until they reached a certain part of the water. There's a street light. I could see that it was a little boy. So, by now, I couldn't leave again because I realized it was a child. I couldn't tell who the child was, if I know him or not. It could be my child, so I wouldn't pass and leave him there. I started calling him and say, hey Papa, come here. What are you doing inside the water? Come towards me. Let me take you to your mother. Him just passed and him look up on the bank. So I know him see me because he look up on me. Him have these two bright eyes. He didn't say anything, but I know say he needs some help. He can drown, the crooks them can come up at any time. He turn around and head towards the bridge because there's a bridge there. By the time he reach to the bridge to try and climb up on the bridge and see if I could hold him, him already gone underneath the bridge. But I know at that location at the bridge, that's where you most spotted the crooks, especially in the evenings. Some of the largest crocodile I see in Portmore is right here. So I went on the other side of the water and was looking for him to see him come up on the other side of the bridge. I was there for a while, him never come out until I see him pop out on that side. I went closer to the water and that's when I see him just disappear. So I don't know if he was drowning at the time or the crooks them have him. By this people start come and people start stop, people start look. Nobody now in the water. People start to find excuses and say, it's sewage water. People that say them can't swim, crocodile in the water. There was no time for wait an emergency vehicle. Anybody would have to save that child, it would have to be somebody on the spot. I say, you are dead today, because I come for you. Whatever it takes, I come for you. So that's when I jump off. It's a clear mind knowing that crooks in there. A little bit of stick in my hand. Just in case the crooks that come, I can maybe do something. I don't know what I'm going to do, but maybe do something. But I decided say I wasn't going to leave him in the water. Because as a father, I know that I would want somebody to save my child as well. And at the time looking at him in the water, it's like I was looking at my son. By the help of God, I come back out with him for me to save a life.
It was later discovered that the boy was hearing impaired. For exemplary heroism in saving the life of a young boy from drowning, Mr. Jeffery Lloyd Bowen.
The Badge of Honor for Gallantry is awarded to persons who have performed acts of gallantry or acts of heroism, or who have shown great courage in circumstances of extreme danger.
To really see that they really recognize what I did, even though it made me feel better to know that to save one life, and I would have encouraged more people out there to, no time anybody in danger, instead of you record it, I think the best thing you should try and do is just give a helping hand, because who knows.